Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be doing the cabin filters on this Model 3. It's located here on the passenger side. This piece needs to be removed, and then this bottom piece here, and then there's an access door there. So I'm going to get to that, and then what we're going to do is delete the cabin air intake duct, because I watched a video and water gets sucked in, which gets these wet, which causes these things to start smelling relatively quickly. So let's get started. Make sure to grab any of these white clips that might have been left behind. The best thing to do here is to stick your finger behind it so it doesn't fall through, and then push it back out through the front. And then looking up here on this particular model, the door has a T20 screw up in the top, and I just use a little bit up there with my fingers to get it out. And putting it back together, everything just goes together in reverse order. Sliding the first one down was a little tricky. It should slide down smoothly. You shouldn't have to force it down, so just make sure it slides down easily. Also, pull the tabs downward. I found that was the easiest thing to do, just to tuck them away. So as you can see, that was pretty dirty. Yeah. It's starting to smell a little mildewy in there. And from what I understand is these get moist, and then it probably has mold or mildew or whatever growing on there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go into the front here, and we're going to remove the intake duct. So in the front here, this piece here just snaps down, so you just have to snap it off. But this piece is what we're talking about here. Supposedly water gets into this and gets onto the cabin filters when the blower motor is working. Most cars, it's just an open hole at the firewall. So we're just gonna basically make it like most cars and then not have to worry about that anymore. Actually, interesting, on this model, this is a two-piece design. So now we just have the scoop kind of facing down, which in my eyes is most likely gonna eliminate this problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this back on. So just clip. Come on. There we go. Cool. So on this original piece, there's a little hole here where water is supposed to come out. But on some videos I watched, the water doesn't actually drain from there, and it just gets pulled straight into the blower motor. So I think this is going to eliminate a lot of this problem. So that is the cabin air duct delete. And hopefully I can report back in a couple months that this does not smell bad. Thanks for watching.